Hello, my name is NEVIAH and I'm 6 years old. I'm from Latika Alpha Pintolo. Today I want to talk about a girl and a child. A girl is a living thing. She needs food, water, and air. She can grow, move, or breathe. A child is a non-living thing. Does not grow, breathe, or move. We use a chair to sit. Thank you for listening. Now let's watch my video for making a girl and a chair. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.